In this video we will talk about treat back to the nature through aromatherapy skin care. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Skin care, as can be seen, has been accorded wide importance at all times. In addition, it has been a ubiquitous phenomenon as no part of the world is unaffected with a concern for their skin. Skin care with herbs and plant extracts is finding growing popularity in recent years. This is termed as aromatherapy skin care. Aromatherapy skin care is not a recent concept. Only that we were so engrossed in artificial and synthetic products that we forgot the huge resource of our nature. Artificial skin care products are easily available. This was the primary plank on which these became the order of the day. For the natural remedies for skin care, one had to visit their source, i.e. the forest. This was an impossible task for a common person. So, artificial moisturizers, artificial lotions, artificial sunscreens, and several other artificial skin care products almost enveloped the market. It was because of constant research on the subject that people understood the adverse effects of artificial products. Now, people who are concerned about their skin and are willing to spend that extra buck for the correct remedy for their skin, have voted for natural skin care products and aromatherapy skin care. If seen from the point of view of cost, then aromatherapy skin care will turn out to be the cheapest. If one wants, then he can prepare an all-natural skin care preparation at home. Does this demand time? No. Devote your weekend to skin care, your skin truly deserves that. Many preparations last for a few days to certain weeks. So, one may keep them for use during the weekdays. This will ensure that you do not get late for office while readying your skin for the day. Simple techniques are involved in aromatherapy skin care. While taking a bath, sprinkle 2 drops each of lavender, bergamot, and cedarwood. This will keep you refreshed all day. If you are feeling nervous, then use of essentials oils of geranium and basil is recommended. Similarly, there are baths aimed at relieving people of insomnia or fatigue. If using a skin softener, look for sweet almond oil in the product. Being rich in vitamins A, B1, B2, and B6, your skin will glow. Exposing one's skin to steam is also helpful. This helps open the pores in the skin and thus prevents skin inflammations. A cleanser too works in the same manner. It helps keep the skin clean. Always use a chemical-free and soap-free cleanser. One may have a vast choice from natural cleansers available in the market. All these attempts to keep your skin healthy and glowing will go waste if you are stressed. Stress shows on your face, unless you are a master deceiver. Go for a spa and rejuvenate yourself. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.